Indigenous cultures throughout the world have legends and prophecies that identify this time we are living in as a turning point for humanity. One such legend is found throughout much of the Americas, the prophecy of the eagle and the condor.
According to this prophecy, the eagle is the bird that represents cultures that have used the creativity of the mind and scientific insight to harness the wonders of technology and increase material wealth. The condor represents more spiritually oriented societies, those that are deeply in touch with the sacredness of the natural world and the interconnectedness of all things.
Creemos que todo ser humano necesitamos y tenemos la necesidad y tenemos que integrar, interrelacionar entre los mundos diferentes, pero sin menoscruir lo que es el conocimiento propio. Tenemos que interrelacionar esos dos conocimientos. Y los buenos recoger, rescatar y los malos rechazar, pero para el bien común del pueblo actuar y por qué no decir del mundo entero.
When you say you're going to throw something away, where's away? There's no such thing. And where away actually is social justice issues and environmental justice issues. Every plastic bag, plastic cup, plastic to-go container, that is the petroleum complex in Africa, Ecuador, Colombia, Alaska, you name it. Every paper bag, paper plate, paper napkin, that is a forest. Every thing that is called waste or disposable is the ways in which we are saying that it is acceptable to throw our planet and its people away.
Everybody alive today has a role to play. You don't have a big role and you don't have a small role. You just have your role. And if you play it, then your life will really have a kind of meaning that you've dreamt of.
Yo, listen up. This is your home. It's the only one you got. This place is pretty, but you can't live there. You can't even get there. So I repeat, this is your home. It's the only one you got. Cherish it, protect it. It's the only one you're gonna get. These guys, they're your neighbors. They ain't going away, they ain't leaving. You have to get along with them. So you have to learn to share. You have to get along. You have to learn to get along. Because they are your neighbors, they're not going away. Okay, all this stuff, the animals, the waters, the sky, the ground, the bugs, the fish, the tacos, the people, they're all connected. Everything is connected. They all depend on one another. If you ignore that, you're doomed. Repeat, doomed, okay? So listen up, it's all one. Not two worlds, not three, one. Just one. So get it in gear. Remember, all is one, okay? Hit it!
As we seek friends and partners in this do-it-yourself-together project, we can look to an example from nature.
There's a moment in the life of a caterpillar when it begins to eat more and more. It becomes a voracious consumer and eats many times its own weight in food. It eventually becomes bloated and immobile. And at that very moment inside the caterpillar, there are these tiny cells waking up. The biologists call them imaginal cells. These cells keep popping up and joining together as clusters. The clusters become strings of imaginal cells. And at this point, well before the cells are a majority, the imaginal cells have become the genetic director of the whole of the caterpillar. The rest of the caterpillar cells collapse into a kind of nutritive soup which feeds the emergence of the unpredictable miracle that is a butterfly.